I messed up, Mom.
No, you didn't. You got it. That's it. That's it. It's perfect. That's it. Right there. Keep going. That's it. Good job. How many? Go ahead. Then tell me how many stitches do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 9. Down. Mom, can you help me scoot it down a little?
I hurt my head. Put on the fan. Hurt my head.
Shoot one in front, like this. Okay.
Wait, just let go. You have to let go. Let go. Let go. You have it too tight. Loosen your fingers up a little bit. You gotta let the yarn slide a little bit. Oh.
Oh.
Yep. You gotta let it come through here this way.
I messed up.
No, you haven't. It just has to come through there.
I messed up.